Hey friends, it's Dinesh from techprogrammer.com and you are at the right place if you want to know what actually list is in Python. So before starting this video, make sure that you are hitting the subscribe button and clicking on bell icon to get the notification of new videos. So let's start our today's session. So today we will learn what is list in Python, how to create a list, how to handle operations on list, and we will see some different types of operations on list. So what is list in Python? List is some kind of array, but the difference is that array can hold only one type of element, but list can store different types of element. List represent a group of element which can be modified. Means element in list we can modify any number of time. List can be represented using square bracket. To represent a list we have to use square brackets. Lists are dynamically typed. Means size of list is not fixed. We can take any number of elements in list. It contains duplicate elements. So list contains duplicate elements. That means we can enter same element again and again. It is order collection. That means we will get element in same order in which we have written them. It is mutable collection. That means we can add element, we can update, we can delete elements from list. So we will see some operations on list. Operations on list. So this del operation is used to delete element from list. Append element is used to add an element at the end of the list. Note this point, at the end of list. Len. This is len method which is used to return the length of our list. Minimum and maximum. Min max returns the minimum and maximum value of our list. Sum of all values in a list that has numbers. In checks whether the element is present in list or not, and sorted returns the sorted list. So we will perform these operations practically and see what the output comes. So here we will create one simple list. For list I will take L equals to, and list is represented using square brackets, so we have to take square brackets, and we will take some elements in our list, suppose 10, and the element in list are separated by commas, so 20, and list is collection of different types of elements, so we can take string in our list. So I will take here Python I will take one more element. So these are some elements in our list. We will first print our list. See, here you can see output. In PDF there was one point that list is order collection. So here you can see the elements are in same order as we have entered in a IDE. So first we will perform delete operation. Now here we have to enter index place from which we have to delete our element. Suppose I want to delete this 20. So I will enter index place 1. And again we have to print this. Here you can see two lists, one is old and one is updated list. From updated list we have deleted one element, that was 20, using del operation from a specific index place. We will perform append operation on list. So what this append operation does, this append operation will add one element at the end of list. So we have to add 70 at end of list. Here our last element is 60. Now 70 will get added after 60, and simply we have to print this, print list. So here you can see 70 is added after 60. What append did? Append has added one element at the end of our list. From our next operation, len operation, to find the length of our list. So for that we have to write print so what this function will do, this function will return us a length of given list. So here you can see it has written us 5 elements are present in our list, so our length of our list is 5. So this length operation is used to find the length of our given list. Next operation, now suppose I want to check some element is present in our list or not. For that there is one operation, let's perform it. Print, suppose now I want to check that 50 is present in our list or not. So I will write here 50 in our list L. So now this will return us in true or false. If 50 is present in our list, it will return true, and if 50 is not present in our list, it will return us false. So let's see what happens. See, this has written us true. 50 is present over here. So these were some operations on list. So I will give that PDF link in my description. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment me below which topic you want to see my next video. Thank you guys.